Hey guys, this is Jacques from Makulu Linux and welcome to another video. So I previously made one of these, but it's time for me to update. There's been a lot of updates to the GUI, so I'm making a new video tutorial guide. So let's take a look at this. So this is the Makulu Linux video generator. It has quite a lot of functions, and I'm going to explain these to you. So firstly, if you look at the GUI, there's lots of buttons, right? You've got a user input box, you've got an AI prompt, got a prompt builder, which I suggest you use on almost every prompt. You've got an aspect ratio where you can select landscape, portrait, or square. You've got a styles that you can add onto the prompt. You've got a video duration that you can set from 5 to 10 seconds. You've got the send to Discord, it sends a video automatically to our Discord channel, our public channel, so you can tick or untick that. You've got upscale to 4K. By default, the videos are upscaled to 1080p. So the videos are by default 1080p, but you can also upscale to 4K. You've got an open folder button. If you click that, it opens the folder where the videos are stored once you generate them. Below that, you've got a history button. Right now, there's no history because I haven't generated anything, but the history will be here. You've got a join Discord button that goes to our Discord channel. You've got a video tutorial button, which is what you're watching now. You've got a purchase unlimited button, and I'll explain that in a bit. That's tied to the password box. And you've got a bug report button that you can report bugs on. Below that, you've got remaining generations. That's how many generations you have every day. Right now, I've got 13 free generations for today. Once I generate 13, I have to wait till tomorrow to generate another 13. Now, this is not a total set in stone. As the server becomes freed up and we expand it, these will increase. So some days there might be more, some days there might be less. I mean, this could double as well. So this is not set in stone, but this is for today what I have free, 13. Below that, we have an average queue time and an average generation time. The average queue time is how much time you spend in the queue before you actually start generating. So I hit generate video, and then I've got to wait my turn in the queue. That's the queue time. Generation time is once the actual video starts generating, that's how long it will take to finish on average. So these get updated, these two values get updated every hour. So this is now the average for the last hour. Okay, we've got a prompt builder button here. If you click that, it opens up a prompt builder, and I'll go through that in a bit. We've got a password field here. I'll go through that in a bit. We've got an extend video field here, and we've got a generate video. And yes, you can extend videos. So we can generate 5 or 10 second videos by default, and you can extend them up to, I think it's about a minute long that you can extend them to. So you can extend your video. You can extend a video and extend it again and again and again until you hit that limit. Okay, so let's generate something quickly, and then I'll explain the rest. So let's use the prompt builder. So we can use a prompt builder because I love the prompt builder. We have some options here. So what type of video? So let's say a short film. What's going to be our subject? Let's say cat. I've been doing a lot of those. Cat, ginger cat. And where's the setting? Okay, we'll put the setting in the city. And we're going to say on a skateboard. So a cat on a skateboard, skateboarding on a skateboard. Okay. And what type of shot? Medium shot, of course. Lighting, let's go with natural lighting. Natural. There's natural lighting. Angle, eye level? No, low angle. Low angles. We get it sort of almost from the bottom. Director, let's go with James Gunn. He's popular at the moment. Okay, so there we go. We've selected some keywords. We've selected some options, and we hit create prompt. The AI will do the rest. Look at that. The AI makes a nice long prompt. And of course, you can edit this prompt if you want, but the AI has just made a nice long prompt. That's using Prompt Builder. If you type your own prompt, you can tick the AI box and it will rewrite your prompt for you as well. So that's what the AI box does. If I tick this now, it will rewrite whatever's in here. Okay, so right now I don't want to touch this, so I won't tick the AI prompt. But let's say I just wrote a cat. Nothing else. Then I tick the AI prompt, and it will rewrite that cat into something like this. Okay, so that's what the AI prompt does. It rewrites it asks the AI to rewrite whatever in the box. Okay, so let's take a look here at, okay, landscape. portrait, square. Let's go with landscape. We'll leave it landscape. Style. Well, if you add a style, let's say like a Disney style, it will add this style to that prompt. So where this might generate a realistic looking cat, if I choose Disney style, it's actually going to redo that cat into a sort of a Disney style cat. So it adds this as a secondary prompt onto your main prompt, right? I don't want that. I'm just going to leave it as none. But we do have a lot of styles here that you can choose from. Really nice. Smurfs, Tintin, superhero, pixel, painting, neon, cyberpunk, you name it. Fantasy, blah, magical, whatever. So they are some nice. And the nice thing is you can actually see what it does as a secondary prompt. Like universal is nice because that just mostly affects like nice lighting quality and stuff. Okay, with that being said, let's generate the video and see what happens. So I'm going to hit generate now. So it says a short queue time and fairly short generation time. However, for the sake of not making this video long, I'm going to speed this up. Okay, let's take a look at this. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so we just generated a video of a cat on a skateboard, and he's actually using his back leg to sort of steer. So look at that. That actually looks pretty cool, right? Or is that his tail? No, it's his leg. He's using his leg to steer. Okay, or to stop or to brake or something. Okay, it looks pretty cool. Okay, so that video we just generated off this prompt. Our first try, by the way, our first try. That's not bad. As you can see, it says I have 12 generations left, right? Now, you'll notice that the extend button doesn't work. The upscale 4K doesn't work. This 5 to 10 seconds doesn't work. The send to Discord doesn't work. Okay, now those features are only available to the guys that purchase unlimited, right? So right now I can generate a 5-second video. This is 5 seconds long, and I can make it portrait, square, whatever style. I can do whatever, right? If I want to make another video, generate a new one, generate a new one, generate a new one. I have to keep doing that, right? And so you can generate 5-second videos all day long. As long as you've got generations available. Like I said, we'll probably be upping these as time goes on, right? This is a very new feature to us, and we just sort of got everything up and running. So this is the amount, 13 is the amount that we're comfortable with at the moment, but you know, we're probably going to up that. Okay, so that being said, if you want options to the additional features, 10-second videos, make the videos private, upscale the videos to 4K, extend the videos. We do have a purchase option here. So if you click on that, let's click on that quickly and load it. It's going to open in my browser now. Yes, let's open up in the browser. So there we go. So it says unlock. I haven't updated this yet. I need to update it. But anyway, I'm going to add in here as well that you can extend, because that's a new extend is something that I just added today. So I haven't updated it here, but it will show in here. So it says you unlock unlimited generations. What you can do if you unlock, you can generate 10-second videos instead of 5. Yes. Priority queue, faster queuing. Yes. If you are an unlimited user, you jump to the front of the queue. Always, every time. Generate up to 2 videos at a time. Yes, you can do 2 videos at a time. If you are not unlimited, you can only do 1 at a time. Upscale to 4K. Yes. No watermarks. Yes. Free users get a watermark. Unlimited don't. Disable send to Discord, which makes your videos private. Yes. Automatic access to new features. Yes, that as well. And of course, because unlocking this, you subscribe. We do this unlocking thing works through our Patreon. So basically you sign up with Patreon membership as a major tier. It's $40 for the major tier. You sign up for that tier on our Patreon account and you automatically get unlimited generations here. So basically you just become a Patreon member on the $40 membership, and you get unlimited generations. There's a lot of perks that come with the Patreon membership. Access to quick ISOs, new AI stuff. There's a lot of stuff that you get with the membership. So that's all the extra perks, which is really nice because those guys every month they get 1 or 2 ISOs with all the latest goodies in there. Lots of stuff to play with. Okay, so why we charge? Well, you can read about us. We have server fees to pay. We've got things to pay. Things are not cheap. And we'd like to extend these features, and they cost money. Right? And so what's the cost? The cost is $40 a month. But remember, it's not $40 a month for 13 videos. It's $40 a month for unlimited videos, plus everything else that you get, plus all the Patreon membership, plus you help the project. So yeah, to unlock, just simply click here, click Unlimited Generations. There's Patreon. You can log into Patreon and then just follow and sign up to that major tier, which is the $40 one, that major tier. And then what happens is once you sign up for the major tier, somebody will contact you. Probably me, maybe somebody. But somebody will contact you and send you your password. In fact, we'll do it through Patreon. So through your Patreon membership. Probably within a few hours. I mean, unless you're doing it in the middle of the night and I'm asleep, I'll do it in the morning. But usually I only sleep like 5 hours anyway. So you'll get it within a few hours. Within a few hours, me or somebody will message you on Patreon and say, most of the time, everything's tied to my phone, so it will be fairly quickly. But you'll get a password. And then once you have your password, you can then type your password in here. For example, here we go. And as you see, I typed in my password. Now I can upscale to 4K. I can set the generation from 5 to 10 seconds. I can disable the send to Discord, and I can extend a video. I can now click on extend. So that's pretty cool. So let's click on extend now. Let's hit extend and let's see what happens. And you can see it's processing. Now it's extending the 5 second. It will extend to 8 seconds. And then if I extend again, it will go to 11 seconds. And so I can keep going on. If I'm doing the 10 seconds, I think that extends to 13 or 14. It extends, more, obviously. Or is it 18? I'm not sure. I can't remember now exactly. Because we keep messing with these. But yeah, now you can extend. If you enter a password, you can now extend as well. On top of that, while this is generating, let me show you guys the bug report. There is a bug report button. So if you click bug report, now it's going to ask me web browser again. Because I haven't put a password in the web browser. There we go. There we go. And as you can see now, okay, so there we go. So if you click on the bug report, then this little box pops up, and here you can describe your bug. You can say, I'm having difficulty generating videos because blah 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 blah. I get error, whatever. You type your little problem there, you put in your email address, I don't know what that error is, and you hit submit. So I don't know what that error is. Okay, you type in your email address, you type in your bug report, and you hit submit. We need your email address so we can contact you to find out more details or to tell you if the problem is fixed. This is just to keep in contact. We don't care about your name. You can keep it all anonymous. So yeah, just do a description of what's wrong and your email address, and hit submit, and that sends a message straight to us. And then we can get straight on to fixing your issue. And that's pretty much how easy it is to operate this. I mean, you've got, it's all very simple. You got your aspect ratio, you got your styles, you got your prompt that you type in, you got an AI prompt. Now, the box has to have something typed in. You can't use AI prompt without, because whatever's in the box, it will rewrite using AI. Prompt builder, I highly recommend it. I use it all the time, prompt builder, because you see what it does. Look at these awesome videos. If I make a video without a prompt builder, it's half as good as this. So yeah, prompt builder, I use it all the time. Of course, the rest is self-explanatory. If you click now on history, you'll see there's some videos that we generated, and if you hover mouse over, you can see the little, like the full prompt. So that's history. yeah, and upscale to 4K. Okay, there we go. It's done. So now we've got an 8-second video. Look at that. There goes an additional couple of seconds. Look. He's kind of getting onto the skateboard. If I click on it now, if you just click on the video, by the way, if you click on the video, it opens up in your MPV player. So we click on the video, you can actually see. Here you can see it's 1080p. Now you can see there 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5. And if you now click on upscale to 4K, it says upscaling to 4K. And then give it a few seconds to finish and then load. It's upscaling. It says upscale to 4K. And you can actually see it. 4K always plays slower, especially in a virtual machine. If I click on the video now, there you see 3840 by 2160. So now we upscaled it. So that's how easy it is to use this little GUI. We are still adding new features. You can always put suggestions into the bug report as well. I'll get those too. But yeah, so very easy. Aspect ratio, style, prompt box, AI prompt, prompt builder, password box, extend video, generate video, queue time, generation time, how many remaining generations for the day. Because I put a password in, you see it says unlimited. Upscale, open folder, send to Discord, 5 or 10 seconds. History, join Discord. Of course, video purchase unlimited, very important, and bug report. So yeah, so that's pretty much how easy it is to use this. Very easy. You can make some awesome videos, really, really cool videos. And by default, they're 1080p, which is what most mediums use anyway. So you can make TikTok videos, you can make landscape videos, and these videos come out pretty cool. I mean, there's some really, really nice ones that I've done. If you go into our Discord channel, you'll see there in the video generation section, there's so many videos there that you can go through. Like if you're not sure you want to purchase the unlimited, you don't know, go check in Discord. You'll see the quality of videos that this thing puts out. But also you have usually between 3 and 13 to try for yourself anyway. And do remember that if you purchase unlimited, you do support the project as well. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time using the Makulu AI video generator. One last thing I'd like to say is everything's copyright free. So you can use it anywhere. There's no copyright on it. Nobody owns it. So yeah, you can use it online. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy. Bye-bye.